What up, everyone? Welcome to another night. This is your boy, Mr. Bennett here. Guys, I know some stay. I'm stay as a messy as a bit on. Me, who nothing, I will never come on. To go on. Alright, so tonight we're gonna look on some past paper. We're gonna give people some time to join, and then we shell down this place here. Welcome. If you can factorize that, go ahead and do it right now. Yeah, man, thanks for the likes. Big up. Sanjin, what? You're the first one here, man. Big up. Tonight we're looking at some past paper questions, and it's gonna be awesome. Alright. Guys, and as usual, you know, so I can't see, you know, for my YouTube work, only the likes I can see. So sometimes it will say one person online. Good night, Sandrine. How was your day? Alright, so I have a book here. I get from one of my students where I go work from. Some very simple questions, but you know, students tend to get these wrong. So we're gonna look on those. Hit the like button as a command, peeps. Hit the like button. Even for the playback, just hit the like button. So the first one say factorize x squared minus y squared. Alright, so we're gonna shell down this place right now. Who can factorize that? Alright, so to factorize this, guys, what we do is basically we have to identify that this is a difference of 2 squared. So we just find the square root of both. So the square root of x is x squared is x, and the square root of y squared is y. So one are going to be minus, and one are going to be plus. Alright? So it would be x plus y and x minus y. Alright, so we're going to look at some more questions. Gonna get this on the road. Mad book, you know. You know, you big up yourself. Everybody who join, big up yourself, see me. Alright? So I want you guys to go ahead and try these. Since I just started factorization, to kick it off, same way. Guys, hit the like button now. A 2-person alone online with me. Come on, man, let's go. I know some work off on the energy, you know. Alright, factorize this again. Guys, remember, these are past paper questions. We're not going to stuck to one topic tonight, but we're not going to try to spread it out too much either. So it's 25p squared minus 36. Factorize that, guys. Let's go. In the working mode, in the working mode. Exam the near. So as long as you guys willing to put out the effort and pass, I'm here for you guys. No joke about it. Alright, so it's 25p squared minus 36. When you factorize that, what you guys get? I have to go spend some time on factorization because you guys don't fully get it. If that's the case, we can do that, alright? So it's very easy though, guys. Alright, so let's go. So guys, to factorize this, all we have to do is the difference of 2 square again, right? Once I see this as 0 and I make it. So all we do, just find the square root of this and the square root of this. You see how much easy? What number we can multiply by itself? The number multiplied by itself can give you 25, right? And that would be 5 because 5 times 5 is 25. And only p times p can give us p squared, right? So that's 5p. And we'll put 2 of them. Next, we'll put a plus and we'll put a minus. So we'll go to the next one now. What's the square root of 36? Or which number multiplied by itself give you 36, right? And that would be 6. Voila! 2 marks that in a CSEC. 2 marks that in a, guys. Alright? So more you guys get involved now. I want to say if you get the general idea, all we're doing is the difference of 2 square. Find the square root of each. One must be plus and one must be minus. Alright? Let me see if you guys get the general thing now. So we're going to stick for factorization a bit. Try that one. 9x squared minus 4. Go ahead and do that, guys. Big up everybody we're joining. I know it's all over in unity, don't it? Yeah. Everybody know one thing we say it about. Love and unity. We shall long this place. Someone said 3x plus 2. No, not that, man. Now me feel like you guys are get warm up. Alright? Warm it up now. Very good. It is indeed 3x plus 2 and 3x minus 2. And so guys, you see how easy CSEC be? Difference of 2 square. What number multiplied by itself will give us 9, that's 3. What multiplied by x, what by itself to give us x squared, and that is x. So put the 3 2 place, one a plus, one a minus. Go to the next one. What number we multiply by itself give us 4, and that would be 2. So there we have it. Very good. I see you guys catching on to it very quickly. I love that. I love that. Do one more, guys. Try this one. X squared minus 1. Alright, somebody has said x plus 1 and x minus 1. So you guys are get the hang of it already. Very good, very good. Right? So that's the square root of this. Remember the square root of 1 is 1. So we have x here plus. And this a minus. What number multiplied by 1 give us 1? And that is 1 itself, right? And that is our answer. Alright? So we soon move on, guys, to grouping or something else. But try this one nevertheless. Alright. 16x squared minus 16. What gonna be the first we type in now? We need to start give away stuff, you know. Can't remember if we buy some. Alright, Jada, big up Jada. I can't get to see everything yet, you know, guys, but I see Jada say 4x plus 4 and 4x minus 4. Very good. What number multiplied by itself give us 16, and that is 4, because this is an x squared, that's an x, right? I'm gonna give you guys one that I dropped at my marathon. Let's see if you guys can figure it out. Alright, so that's correct. So guys, I'm gonna give one that I drop at the marathon and see if you guys can angle this one. Let's see how you guys angle that one. Cherry, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Cherry. That is correct. That was nicely done. Alright. So P times P give us P, and then Q times Q. So we know it's a PQ. Right? Put it on either side. Square root of 1 and 1. So you have 1 minus 1. So very good. Very good. Alright. So guys, we're going to look on factorize by grouping. Since as we're not going so wicked tonight, let me drop it first before we do it any. And then you guys can discuss it also. But very good, very nicely done, and very quickly done too. Alright, so hope everyone take off that, so we can look at this one now. When we're looking at grouping, factorized by grouping. So we have AC plus AD. We're going to need that for some, you know, the AC thing here, right? Plus BC plus BD. Factorize this, guys. So we want to deal with. Factorize that. Let me see what we want to deal with. Sure that complete. Now you're talking. Alright? So guys, this here, that here, in particular, CSEC already group them for you because see, A common here, A common there. B common there, B common there. So they already group it for you. So all we have to do is just take out what's common. What's common mean what is in both of the terms. So we have AC and AD. So A common because A the yaso and A the yaso. Jamaican style that, right? And B the yaso and B the yaso. So we can take them out. We can't take out C because C only common to this. We can't take out D because only na this D there. Jamaican style, alright? So watch now. A is common, so we take out A. So A into AC leave C. And A into AD leave D. For those of you who might not know how to do that, let me show you. It's like you're saying AC divided by A and AD divided by A. So that I'll cancel that. So you have C and D. Alright? About the plus, what's common? B. We take it out and we divide. So B into that C, B into that D. Now if you look closely, you will notice that C plus D rather, is common to both. So remember, factorization is just taking out what's common, right? So C plus D, that is common to both. So we take it out one time, and then we take out what's outside, which is A plus B. And that will be our answer. Alright? One more by grouping, guys. I'm so not deal with. Then big up yourself. Then book this. Alright, thanks for the likes, guys. You don't know some of them things that I care about. Yeah. Alright, so let's just see who can figure out this one first. So it's x squared plus 5x plus 4x plus 20. Who can figure out that one first? I love this question because it's different from the next one that we just did. So it's really, really good. Happy for that. It's different. On the screen. Trisha Brown, big up. Welcome. See that comment now right away. Good night, man. Good night. Happy to have you here. Now wait upon the answers, guys, man. Wait upon the answers. Let's see no answer typing, guys. Let's see nobody type it in. We're not deal with. Somebody say x plus 5 and x plus 4, and that is Cherry. Jada's also got that. Jada, if you group them. Alright, so we take out the x, because x is common to both. X into that leave x. X into 5x leave 5. Alright, and for those who might not know, since as this is the early part, guys, I'm going to show the steps. Alright, so we have x times x divided by x. So we leave x, and we have 5x divided by x. I know some persons might say, why Mr. Benita show the simple steps? Sometimes why people struggle is because teachers ignore the simple step. Alright, so we're dividing by x, so x into that leave x, x into that leave 5. And then now we move on to the next bracket and see what's common. What's the highest common factor? Back to primary school. What's the highest common factor of 4 and 20? If you're not sure, these are all the factors. 1, 2, and 4, right? And for 20, you have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So then you look for which number is common to both. That means it in this line and this line. So it's 4. And this must be the highest one. So we couldn't use 2 because we have to use the highest one. We want with the highest value. And that would be 4. So we take out the 4. And then we say 4 into that leave x, 4 into 20, 5. So then you always get this. So you get x plus 5, take out what common, and then x plus 4. And that is your answer. So everybody know it go. Big up on yourself, everybody. More people are coming on, you know. That, yo. This is a good sign, man. People are come. Forward on. Students, I'm not saying why from that school. So I'm just say use the language of them accept. Hi, Miss Fusey. Big up, big up, big up. More past paper, you know, miss. Anybody wanna get one this year, them no want grade 1. And the students for next year, them can start use this also. Alright. I think do this for the career part, you know, guys. You know, I feel love maths, but all of you want to get a job when we leave school, don't? Yeah. So, just do what we have to do and get it done. Can't depend on mommy. Alright. So let's try this one. This one look a little bit tricky. Same instruction. Factorize. Alright, send in the answers now, guys. Send in the answers. You know, I know I'm not share this by my status. I like share it, you know, make the parents know what I'm going. I'm going to do that. Make others, because we don't like the selfish stuff, you know. We don't have anything to do that something. Pick up the card up, you know. Long time I don't hear from that dude there. What go on, bro? What go on? I want a top mathematician that too, you know, guys. I don't know, guys, but I have a feeling this year. Say, mathematicians just go rise up like Corona rise up. We're gonna have mathematicians everywhere. I not lie. You see, the whole of the Caribbean start link with me and you thing. I love that man. Yeah, it's the one that I don't see zoom forward on here. Alright. So guys, it is already, we can group it easier, you know. We can group it the other way. We group it y squared minus 8. You know what? I'm gonna do it both ways. Remember, right? The same thing. I'm doing the other way first. We can group it as it is, right? So y would be common to this. So y into y square leave y, and that leave minus 8, right? Put back the minus. We book up on a little problem now, right? Nothing can go in that except 1. 1 is always common, alright? So we take out the 1, so we end up with minus 1. And then now we have negative y divided by negative 1, and positive 8 divided by negative 1. So negative will cancel negative. 1 into that, we get positive y. And negative, and then we cancel negative, so we get negative 8. So that will give us y minus 8 and y minus 1. Very good, guys, very good. You guys seems like you're sharp tonight, man. To exam the near. Man. Yeah, that's a good look. Alright? We could have grouped it otherwise. I was thinking of this, where we could have put the y and the y. So we have y square. Let's see. Minus y. But you have to be careful with the sign, alright? You have to maintain whatever sign in front of the number. See, you have minus 8, minus 8. Minus y, plus 8, plus 8. Alright, and then we group them. So this will give us y. Y into that leave y. Y into itself leave 1. Put the minus. What's common? 8 common now. And that y, negative into positive. Negative into positive is negative. So we get y minus 1 and y minus 8, which is the same thing. So it doesn't matter how we do it. Once we group them correctly, we will get the correct answer. Alright? Big up everybody, man. Big up, big up, big up, big up. Zoe, you on? Bahamas link up. Yeah. Alright. So let's look at the next one, guys. I have one more. No, I think I have two more by grouping. Alright? Guys, sometimes when I'm doing one of many things, it kind of work out, you know. Some people like to do the entire paper, but just when you clock in on a topic and get that I'm fully mastered, like when we do base simultaneous equation, and then it starts stick. Yeah, that's how Mr. Bennett work, you know. I just want to run through one thing and then move to the next thing. But every time we are going to do that, right? Sometimes I want to crack in and say, yo, lock down all of them past paper, yo, to come on that. Thanks for the likes, guys. Wow. I couldn't like the vibes, you know, give me the energy, you know, man. You know, give me the energy. As you say, guys, different energy, you know, we have got this energy I maintain right till exam, you know. I just put for my status, anybody wanna get grade 1 this year, a joke thing. Every single thing where you need to get a grade 1, hit the on my channel. I'm going to continue work. I now watch and say, I do factorization last year. I do it same way. Last year was last year, I put in more energy. Unless YouTube texts me and say, Mr. Bennett, you have too much video, you know. That's the only way I would stop. Alright? More energy, more life. You say, have to come get them work, man. I want to say, man. I don't want to work and get money and them things, there. You know, man, you have to come achieve things, man. Have to come achieve things in our life. Alright, some say answers are flying, you know. First Nation. Joshy that? Joshy! It has a hard for them keep up. See somebody named First Nation. Alright, let's see if we can factorize as is. So we have y common here, right? And we can get 2 out of this. So yeah, 2 out of this. We can factorize as is. The marker I mean now what good. Be a good marker set me guys give me no peeps. So y common, right? We can't use 2 because 2 can't go into 5 without a remainder. Make a note of that in your book. In number, if we can go in find a number we can go in a both without a remainder. So only 1, right? So we take out the y and then we say y into y square leave y, 5y rather, sorry. And then this would leave plus 2. And the y will cancel the y. We showed that earlier. What's the highest common factor of 10 and 4? That is 2. Now when nobody take out 4, you know, because 4 can go into 10 without a remainder. Right? And then we say 2 into that leave 5y and 2 into that 4 leave 2. So that would give us 5y plus 2 and y plus 2. Or we get that? We're outside. Outside picking them there, but we still have to put them in, you know. Woo! Man, I have to count the outside picking them, and wife put that bag. I have to count them same way. Alright? So that would give us 5 plus y and y plus 2. Alright, so you guys ready to try another one? We're gonna move on from this topic after a while. I think I have about 2 more questions, but you guys been doing awesome. I hope you guys keep up the same energy here when you go exam, you know. You have to keep up the same energy here at all times, no matter what. In a sense, it's like Mr. Benita got there at the exam with them. And guys, me love the energy. More people link me and say, Mr. Ben, oh, you keep marathon and tell me. Guys, I did put it out, so I don't want nobody feel no way. I did. Alright? I had it on Facebook, I had it on my status, I had it on one of my videos. So if you want to be a part of it, you can be a part of part 2. And you know I'm a hard worker. We'll find time and go through part 1 with you guys also. If you're interested. So we know the ships go already. We know the ships go with Mr. Bennett. And a chicken we are jerk. Work, we are work. Any night you see we come on, I work, we are work. I'm gonna prank my girlfriend. Woo, you don't love them something, they big up on yourself for that. Alright, I don't see any answers are flying, guys. Factorize that. 8m squared minus 12m plus 10m minus 15. Guys, an hour here for pass, you know. Hour here. No joke about it. Hour here this. I want to say, if you're with me, let's go, let's go. If you're just joining, subscribe right away. If you don't hit the like button, do that. Alright? Right away. No joke. Alright. Send in the solution, guys, and we can deal with this right away. You guys know I love when you try. Alright, Trisha Brown said 4m plus 5 and 2m minus 3. Victor Sonny said 8m square bracket. No, let's not bracket. But Victor Sonny are going with. You don't want the Victor, man. Something to write to that one there. There's no bracket, right? Notice all of the ones that I've did, we put them in bracket, right? Alright. R. Williams say 4m plus 5 and 2m minus 3. I mean, who that, you know? Big up, big up, big up. Yeah, man. Forever grateful to R. Williams. Forever. Alright. So, guys, we take out the highest common factor. The highest number, we can go in at 8 and 12. So, first, we can list all the factors. We just do this for the person who probably just a join. You know it go already. You come and you last, kind of, you know. So we list all the factors of 12. Back to primary school. Remember them days, eh? When the teacher say, list the factors. Guys, I know flick, me get count to 1 to 10, you know. Every time I go check my basic school teacher, I laugh about it. You understand? Yeah. Couldn't count. Pay with what? So we look for the highest number, we come on, right? And we can see say 4. Can I use 8 because 8 can't go into 12 without a remainder. So we take out your 4, m with it, put your bracket, right? And then now we say 4 into 8, that goes 2 times. But look guys, there's an m square, right? So we have to put the m too. Because that's how we get the m square, m times m. And we do the same thing now. 4 into 12 goes 3 times. But we're not going to take out, we're not going to have m here so because we don't have a square there, right? Put back the plus, then we do the same thing. What's the highest number? Can go in at 10 and 15. Let me just quickly that. Because we have time, you know guys, we have time. And a curfew time, Andrew free way up, down. So that's a 3, 5, and 15. So we see, can see, it's 5. 5 is the highest that is common to both. So we take out the 5, and then we do the same procedure. 5 into 10, 2m. 5 into 15, 3. So we do a little check to see if this and this match. As Mr. R. Williams said, 2m minus 3 and 4m plus 5. 2 marks or 3 marks that in CSEC, guys. We can't make them marks a slip from it. This also come in the multiple choice at times, so we can't make it slip. Never can't make it slip. Alright, so guys, I think this is the last one on this, but after that we are going to switch to another factorization. One that my grade 10 them doing now at St. Mary's College, and it also in my private class. Look will have it, we're doing, all of us doing that the same way. Alright, so guys, this is the last one that I have on this. And that one here now, nobody now get that one here right tonight. Woo! B cube minus b square plus 2b minus 2. So guys, me just monetize this here. So if I see an ad, I watch nothing. Alright, so man, look out for you comment them now. Who can get them here? Remember, I'm give you a hint. The highest common factor. The highest common factor. That's the hint. Anyone come up with the answer yet? Alright, Trisha said b squared plus 2 and b minus 1. Cherry also said that. Alright, so we'll go through this one, guys, and then we'll look at some other ones. Alright? And see if you guys are correct. Thanks for the likes, guys. Jordan. Guys, I'm a friend that you run over to Jordan channel as you finish. Or if you can switch and come back. Always support me. Always. Alright? So we take out the highest common factor, which is b squared. Trisha kind of get that one there. Right? And then we say b squared into that, leave b. Because b cubed, let me just show this, guys. I like show steps, you know. B cubed is the same thing as b times b times b divided by b times b. Alright, so you cross out, cancel each, so that leave b, and b squared into itself leave 1. Any number divided by itself is 1. Alright, and then we do the same thing now, put back the plus, 2 is common, right? So that's 2 into 2b, leave b, 2 into that, leave negative 1. So as Trisha had said, b squared, can take out the b minus 1 because it's common to both. And then b squared plus 2. And there we have it. Our answer. And that is 3 marks in CSEC, guys. 3 marks. You don't want to lose marks. All the day I talk to my students. The simple things are the most important things. And the person who I hear said that is on the live now. Went to a staff meeting and I heard my principal say that. He said, guys, let's do the simple things right. And you know, I said, after a meeting done, I made it and I say, you know, I said, true that statement there. If we get the simple things right, then everything will fall in place. Alright? So yeah. We do the simple things right and we're good. Don't complicate it. Know the rules, follow the instruction and we're good. Once you do that, we can't go wrong, you know. Just follow the instructions when it applies. Alright, so guys, we're going to be looking at the ABC method now. Same factorization. I think we probably just keep it factorization tonight. If you're just joining, we have simultaneous equation we did the other night. So you guys can go back on that. Alright? We have touched every single topic before exam. Every single topic is going to be dealt with. Because we say Mary's call it family. I don't know, I love you already. We don't have to say it. We don't know that already. Alright, so should I do one of that first or you guys are familiar with it? Leave that in the comment section, let me can get to know. And guys, remember, please, I beg you, Jordan Cohen Fun TV. And on a full channel where you have pranks, girlfriend and them is family something. Real family something. All of we must have made family thing. Oh, see Zoom from Grenada, yeah? Last time I said St. Vincent. And incorrect me. Big up Zoom, big up Zoom. Zoom just in a great thing, you know, guys. But the energy we him have, trust me. Very little energy, man. Remember, one Caribbean, don't it? Yeah. What are we at one? Alright. I'm gonna run through that one here, guys, and then I'm gonna send some more, alright? And then when everybody get familiar, I don't like leave anyone. Sanjay Smith, big up. The student that from St. Mary's College. Yeah, man. Me go for Sanjay. I saw him talk, guys. You never say that. You never say you go, sir. I don't know. Big up Sanjay. My son named Sanjay too, so you know. Yeah. Alright. So guys, we're going to do ABC method. I want everybody if you kind of understand, and then we can set more questions. So we have A, B, C, right? So the first thing we do, we multiply A times C. So we find the product of A times C. And this is a nice, easy one where we can kind of, is a good example on this, right? So we have x squared times 3. So that's A times C times A, or A times C. So that gives us 3x squared. So we list all the factors of 3. Now we know that 3 is a prime number, right? So it's only 1 times 3. So this has to be it. But we have to set it up in such a way that we can get 4x, right? If we have 1 and 3, what sign we can put in the middle to get 4? Type that in, guys. Brenda Lee Williams, big up, big up. I feel like I'm a son godman of that, you know. I think so. Alright, so this will be plus, right? So we set it up in such a way that we're gonna use 1, we're gonna use x plus 3x. Because remember, it's 4x we're supposed to get. Alright? I'm not lying, my students can do this. They love this. Alright? And then now we take out the highest common factor again. So that will be x. X into that leave x. We have done something similar a while ago. So persons must can do this now, right? And then we have plus 3. 1 will be common. And then we have x plus 3. So that's x plus 3. Guys, this is something we come in a school challenge quiz all the while, right? When I hear them a shout and say, x plus 1, x plus 3. At this. Alright. Yeah, man, guys, thanks for the likes. 30 likes. One time I never used to get 30 views, you know, much less 30 likes. Forever grateful. Now, ever forget where I come from, you know, guys. Yeah, man, big up St. Mary's College. Alright. This one is a little bit more challenging now, but nevertheless, it's a past paper question. I hope everyone can get the whole principle behind it. So, big up everyone, man. Big up Mr. Williams, the principal, vice principal, Miss Pusey. Yeah, man. Big up the whole staff. Whole heap of support me get, guys. Me not lie. Whole heap of support. The paper them what you see me I do, many times I them do that. You know? Remember last time when we started the IT, me call Mr. Gale. I always hear me talk about Mr. Gale. Yeah. Even come at my big brother. Call him, he say, Mr. Bennett, me I go up on the road. But I carry it with me and see what I can do. Few minutes after, a solution that him text to me, you know. Yeah, man, it's online, it's online. We do maths online, guys. 5 hours a week, me a half an hour, you know. Come on, everybody for pause. 5 hours a week. Guys, let's keep it simple. Try that one with positive. And then we go complex, alright? There are some negative ones. We're going to look at those also. Guys, we don't want to go on class, man. Just link me, man. 549-2161. It depends on the channel too. Yeah, it depends on that video here. Anyone finish? What are the factors? So you multiply A times C, then you list all the factors of the product, and then you see which one can give you 11. Alright? And then you replace it with B, and then you factorize. Just like what we were doing earlier. And guys, you know people are gonna say things in my class is expensive, you know guys. My classes are very reasonable. And the reason for that, I'm still poor. But guys, I couldn't afford tutoring when I was going to school. So, you know, I try to make it affordable so everyone can have access to my classes. Everyone. Alright? So we do the same thing again, guys. We label it ABC. And then we multiply A times C. So that's x squared times 30. And that's 30x squared. So we list all the factors of 30. So it's 1 times 30, 2 times 15. I think that's all the right answer. 3 times 10, 5 times 6. So now we go to our investigation. We want to investigate and see which of these pairs can give us 11. We have to manipulate it, whether addition or subtraction. We are going to manipulate it and see which one can give us 11. So the difference between this is that we what? 31, this is 17, 3 plus 10, 13, 5 plus 6, 11. So we have a winner. So we're going to take out 11x and put in 5x and 6x. So that's x squared plus 5x plus 6x. Notice I take out the 11 plus 30. And then now we take out the highest common factor. Right? So take out the highest common factor, which is x. X into that leave x. X into 5x. We have gone through this earlier. So if you're just joining and you're struggling a bit, just go back on after the playback. Alright? So that is x. 6 into 30 leave 5. So see, we get x plus 5 and x plus 5. We can take out that. And then x plus 6. And that is our answer. Alright? So this is a very good revision class for especially my grade 10. You know, you guys will be doing end of something. Alright. I'm see people see Zoom and say have Discord link where them practice maths. Guys, I love that movement and I love the movement. Alright. We where you can practice maths, which is awesome. So just look in the comment section while go on, guys. There are other groups where they practice maths, which is very good. Alright? Whole Caribbean a link up. This is awesome. Awesome. I would one of my friends say, Mr. Benny, I forgot to say that's a dream. I always say that. Sometimes I just say it as a figure of speech, you know. So I want to teach you world maths. But I see take time happen little by little, so forever grateful. Alright, let's try this one, guys. See if you guys can figure out this one. 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. What are the factors? That one is tough, so I'm going to give you guys a little bit more time with this one. Oh, that's so. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the love, man. Thanks for the love. I put in the work, you know, guys. I feel no way. Finish, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I have one more now. It's tough, you know. Alright. 2x plus 3x plus 4. That's in a minus in it. Alright, so we could look at this one now. Step by step again, guys. And for the persons who are watching the playback like tomorrow or whatever, whenever you want, well, I know it's gonna be. Just hit the like button same time, guys. Just make a difference, alright? Alright, so we have 2x squared, so we multiply 2x squared times negative 12, and that will give us negative 24x squared, right? So we list all the factors of 24, so that's 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. I think that's it, right? And then now we're going to see which of these can give us positive 5. So it will be 8 and 3, right? So we're going to manipulate it in such a way that we get 5. So that will give us 2x squared plus 8x minus 3x. Why we do that? If we subtract 8 from 3, we get positive 5. Remember, we must get positive 5. Alright? Minus 12, and then now close off the bracket in pairs and take out the highest common factor, just like we were doing earlier. Guys, hit the like button because you're gonna watch back the playback, alright? And then now we have x into that leave 4, right? Because 2 into 8 leave 4, x cancels x. Put the minus, what's the highest number can go in at 3 and 12? That is indeed 3, and then divide by 3. So negative 12 divided by negative 3, negative cancel negative, 3 into 3, 1, and that 4. So we have x plus 4 and 2x minus 3. I think that's what the person typed. I probably didn't see it properly. But I see x plus 4 and 2x plus 3. Yes, sir. Big up, big up. That's correct. That's correct. Now, what? Nobody now have to figure out that one here, though. Well, you can, you know, but it's gonna take a little while. I forget which year this one was, but I'm gonna see. This is a really tricky one, so I'm gonna see how you guys handle this one. All right. So I'm just give some persons time. Guys, when you can pause back the video, watch back the video, man. Unlike if you don't watch it again. A joke, a one time you can like. But guys, let's go, let's go. Let me see if you guys can do that one here. That one here is a bit challenging. So careful of the sign, guys. That one there tricky, I think. Alright, who can figure out that one? Alright, let me check for the solutions now to see if anybody get it correct as yet. What you pronounce your name? Warner Tax? Yeah man, finish it Warner Tax. I say you pronounce that something there. Pronunciation is my strong point, you know, guys. Guys, nobody not complete it yet. You only go halfway. Complete it, man. And then type it in. Remember, you know, CSEC like if you take away your marks. So we don't want that. Alright, see completion, you know, x minus 4 and 3x plus 2. And Cherry I said the same thing. Right. Who can figure out that one? Alright. So we do the same thing, A, B, C, right? And then we said 3x squared times negative 8. So we know start 24. Because I think we just did something like that. So it's 1 times 24, 2 times 12. Notice every time I write it back, guys. Sometimes students don't write it back and then find themselves in a lot of problem. What this does, when you're looking at it, you can see it, the answer clearly, right? Alright. So with 2 here we can get 10, right? We can add 2 negative, but we can't, if this is supposed to be negative, we're supposed to get a negative 24, so we can eliminate that. I know students will be tempted to use this because they see the 10. Once they see the 10, and they say 4 and 6, 10, them I light up, and say, alright, negative 4 and negative 6. But negative 4 and negative 6 would give us positive 24. And remember, we're supposed to get a negative. So you see how important the sign is, guys? So we have to put it, we have to use 12 and 2. So we must get negative in the middle. So that's minus 12x plus 2x. Notice the 12 is bigger, so I put the negative on the 12, right? And that means we're going to subtract and we're going to get something. Alright? And then now we can factorize. So as the highest number can go in at 3 and 12, that will be 3. X is also common, so we take out the x. And then we say 3x into that, leave x minus 3x into that. Remember I show that step here. We like show steps in, guys, and that's some mistake. Alright? We want it to be clear for everyone who come on. And for the first you do it, you're supposed to can master it. Alright, 3 into 3, 1, and that minus 4. Right? And then we do the same thing now. We take out the highest common factor. Guys, I think whatever sign there here, so that we are going to work with. Alright? 2 common. And then so 2 into that leave x, 2 into that leave negative 4. Once I see you get this, you know you're up on the right part, guys. Once I see you get that common. Alright? So you have x minus 4 and 3x plus 2. Me, I'm going to make up one now, guys. The past paper now, well, So me, I'm going to make up one and test skills. Alright? And guys, if you're struggling with integer, it's there on my channel also. Alright? Brenda Lee said x minus 4 and 3x plus 2. Very good. Very good. And one attached says the same thing. 3x plus 4. Oh, him have plus. One of them are minus, bro, man. Zoom say him sleepy. Go and get a rest, bro, man. Go and get a rest, man. And just be attending, You can watch back the playback tomorrow, man. There's only one cure for rest and it's rest. Yeah. Zoom, you want that challenge here before you go? See if you can take on that challenge here. Who can take on that challenge there? 2x square, wealth. Wealth come here is. From here, she talk about magic. Actually, we say, guys, we're going to show you a magic chick. Yeah, but a magic. Big up wealth. I love the improvement in you guys too, Since face to face, I see a lot of improvement also. I don't want to say I'm miserable, but I'm not really miserable. I just want the best for you guys. And I know what challenging maths can be. Finlay on. We're just going to make this be factorization today. Somebody said 2x plus 3 and x plus 5. That's a cherry. Cherry, I'm not sure I agree with you, Alright. So Trisha say x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. That look close to it. I think that's it, you know. I think we have a winner, you know, guys. I think Trisha the winner, you know. Guys, I haven't worked it out yet, but that looks like it. That looks like it. But nevertheless, still type in what you get, and then we can something there. Finlay on now. I hope you're on now. Alright, alright. Awesome, awesome. So guys, type in the answer what you get, and then we can look at it. Alright? In the next 2 minutes, 2x minus 5, Trish said x minus. Trisha, change the answer. Woo! We know that when you got trouble, you know. Over the years, this one has given students a lot of trouble. But after I explain it, CSEC can give you something like this and you can get it. Alright? So one says 2x minus 3. The signs are killer, Trish. Woo! We are going to fix that, man. Tonight we are fix that. Alright, Miss Cowan, take care, guys. Do remember to go to our channel, go give her some support. You know what I mean? She's really a big supporter. She's not doing much, but every live, every video, she watch them. So that is great support, guys. Alright, please, me I beg you, just do it for me. She just type something, so just check it, the comment section. But if you're just listening and you're not watching the playback, it's JORDAN space COHEN space fun FUN space TV. Alright? Alright. Solution time now. Take care, Miss Cohen. When you go. Alright? So it's A, B, C. So it's A times C, right? And it's 2x squared times 15, which is 30x squared. And guys, do remember we have biochemistry, physics, every subject, alright? But one of them is negative, oh, both of them are positive, right? So we can just list the factors of 30. And then now we need to figure out which of them can give us 13. But we must get negative 13. So guys, we know people are made to see that this are this. People are made to, you know, so let me just point it out. Why it can't be one of them? It can only be one of them. Alright, Cherry said negative 3 and negative 10. Very good. Right? Because think about it, guys. If we choose 2 and 15, right? One has to be negative. And we'll end up with a negative 30. But it's a positive. So it means only the same sign can give you a positive. Either negative and negative give you a positive, or positive and positive, right? So we're gonna choose this one and we're gonna dismantle that one. Alright? So it's negative 3 and negative 10. So now we have 2x squared minus 3x, because it doesn't really matter, minus 10x plus 15. So the value of this is negative 13, because when you add two negatives, you get negative, right? It's like somebody borrow $3 from you today, and tomorrow them say, lend me $10 more. You know Jamaicans say that, right? Them borrow money and them say them not pay it, you have to lend them some more. And then now, X come on, right? And then now, beg you 1 second, guys. Yeah, mommy. Alright? Jamaicans have a little style. Alright, and then say x into that leave 2x, x into that leave 3. So someone said the 2x minus 3, that is part is correct. Let's see the rest. Put the minus. The highest common factor would be 5. We done this many times, right? 5 into that leave 2x. 5 into 15, negative 3. Why? This is a negative, this is a positive, so we get negative. So it's 2x minus 3 and x minus 5. How did you guys get the 4 here, so? I thought someone get the 4. Let me look back on the chat. No, you guys don't rub it out, you know. Oh yeah, it was x minus 5. So zoom. I think you're going to your bed, zoom. Yeah. Alright, Trisha. Trisha says she see it. So no longer can CSEC trick you with that. Right, Trisha? Yeah. Master that. Alright. So guys, let's try another one. Guys, we can go up to about 10 o'clock. No, 10 o'clock a reasonable time to go out bed, man. How you deal with? Reasonable time now. Alright, try this one now, guys. 2x squared minus x minus 10. Great job, guys. Great job. Thanks for your likes, guys. Only for people online, man. Need the support from you guys, too, you know, guys, right? Because one, this was spread last year when I did the marathon. I was on it for 6 hours teaching the entire syllabus. In the next morning, so I saw a guy make a comment, man. I felt it to my heart. Man say, I really know me just know about that channel here. Just because people never did like the video them and them something they say can reach more people. Right? The more you like it, the more CSEC can recommend it to students who do work like yourself. And we can just be one big happy family. Right? And Zoom say early this year and find the channel. Yeah man, me I put in the work, man. Some other people see it and shout me out and thing, but some people stubborn, them not come across. But we have to do go and work. We can't watch people down. If I 5 persons, we have to do the work. And them always can watch it playback too. So that's not a big deal. But I want to help persons because we have little over a month. What the power work we are going to do, man? What the power work? So guys, we want get in the next one because we're gonna stop 10, right? So we want to the solution for that one here. Alright, St. Lucia man, check in. Big up Curtis from St. Lucia. Actually, WhatsApp. It didn't come in the comment section. I think WhatsApp. Alright, big up, big up. Yeah. St. Lucia in the building too, you know, guys. Yeah. If you can't find your flag, just rep your flag. I feel love the nationality, you know. Every country have good and bad, but we have to love our born. Alright? So this is A times C. So that's 2x squared times negative 10. We're going to do one more after this. So that's 20. Negative 20x squared. Then we list all the factors of 20. So we have 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. And then now we see which of these can give us 1. Already we know it's 4 and 5, right? But we're supposed to get negative 1x. That's the trick. So we have 2x squared plus 4x minus 5x. You know why? The 5 is bigger, so we're going to get minus 1. Then we do the pair thing, put them in pairs, and then we take out the highest common factor. So the highest common factor would be 2, and we take out the extra, right? Sorry. And then now, they have x. 2 into that goes 2 times, and x cancel the x. We do the same thing, we take out the highest common factor of 5 and 10, which is 5. Notice there's a negative, so we have to maintain a negative. 5 into that leave x, negative cancel negative, so we get plus 2. We have done this many times, so persons should be familiar with this now, right? So it's x plus 2 and 2x minus 5. And guys, find some time to watch back the entire video. You can try back the questions and so forth. If I didn't get everything correct, practice makes permanent. That's what one of my PEP students, Imani, told me. She said, sir, practice makes permanent. So I kind of like that little saying there. I take it from my PEP student. As you keep practicing it, so it becomes permanent. Alright, so let's try the last one for today. But guys, we will be back. Tomorrow I'm going to play music at the bar. You think me? Oh boy. So we have, I hope everyone can see because the light always are shining over the same. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 40. Alright, so go ahead and do that one, guys. Alright, Wuna, big up man. Is that that name? Is just you make up that name, or you from Trinidad also? Yeah, put in the work, you know, guys. So look out to me. Look out. Make sure you turn on the notification. Share with your friends and so, because it's no selfish thing. Everybody can get one, right? Yeah, believe it or not. We all can work together and get grade 1. Oh, me know, I have an entire class last year. Sunday class at 1. Everybody got 1 from that class. So it is possible. We just have to put in the work. Don't watch nobody. Just turn on your notification. Do what you have to do. And just know it's night time. Yeah, maths time. And for those who want to join the class, you can join it, alright? 876-549-2161. Alright. Real chopper girl. Lord Jesus. Woo! I don't know where you chop, but oh boy. That is correct though, real chopper girl. I just seen it, you know. Real chopper girl. Guys, what is wrong with you guys? Rashima Lamont, big up yourself. Top mathematician, get 100 on the last assignment. Very impressive. I don't know who is that real chopper girl, but I know I'm happy to have you here. You're bright, so you can change your name there. Yes, no. I'm a chop. Alright. Yeah. Alright guys. So you guys mastered it. Rashima, good to see you on yeah. Zoom, big up yourself again. Yeah. Curtis, St. Lucia, big up. You know other persons online from other Caribbean countries. So big up the entire Caribbean, big up Jamaica. Anywhere you watch from in the world, big up. For even Russia. Alright? So we have x squared times that, so we get. I'm going to refer over this side, this point. So it will be x squared times negative 40, which is equal to negative 40x squared. And then now 1 times 40 and 2 times 20, right? 3 can go into 20, right? So what we know say 4 times 10 and 5 times 8. So as some persons put, it's 5 and 8 because the difference is 3. So it's x squared. We're going to set it up in such a way that we get negative. Watch me, I put 5, this will be, and this will be 8. We get negative 3x, right? Put your bracket. And then now we say x into that, leave x. X into that, leave 5. Put the minus. Remember, so this is 8. Put the minus. What's common? 8, 5, 40. So 8 can go in there. And then you have x. Negative into negative, that's positive. This is supposed to help you guys with the algebra now. We want that this we do today. Where negative divided by negative is a positive. And negative times a positive is a negative. This is supposed to help you guys. Alright, I'm going to transfer that knowledge to your algebra. And then x minus 8. So Cherry was indeed correct. Rashima, good to have you on. One of my top students that. Welcome, man, welcome. Alright. So guys, I'm going to leave one. Brenda Lee Williams says she's from Jamaica. Alright. So it's not just Trinidad and Tobago represent St. Lucia and Grenada, but we are Jamaica represent too. Alright. So guys, I'm going to leave you guys with this one. Leave this one in the comment section. Just comment under the video itself. Because sometimes, you know, see nobody will leave no comment, right? So leave this one under the comment section, alright? So make sure you guys have it x squared plus 8x minus 20. And we're going to leave it on the comment section and hope that video go viral. So Brenda said this make her feel excited about doing maths. Yeah man, that's the whole idea. You see, once you do maths and you get comfortable, then everything just start coming play. And that's what you say, give me a drive. You know, sometimes I'm tired, but because we know say people go come on and people guys, remember me used to do live with me and one person, you know. Nobody else to come on, nobody else to know about me, I still do it, right? Because at the end of the day, I'm a passion, I love do it. You understand? So this come like it does calm me and so forth. So for when people on, it's even better. Alright? So guys, we are get some rest now, because you know tomorrow, St. Mary's College again, and we are putting 100%, right? Yeah. Real chopper girl, put it in the comment section, alright? Because we are end the live now. Because I 10 now, so we are going to end the live. You don't know, get some rest so we can have the energy for our school tomorrow and so. So just leave it in the comment section. Big up everybody for joining. You guys can always watch the playback. Any topic at all you want, guys, you can just check it out. This is Mr. Bennett. I'm out, no doubt.